Welcome back, everyone, to another great episode of Sell Those Flipping Cars. In today's episode, we are replacing the starter on the 2007 Chevrolet Impala. Stay tuned, guys. Welcome back to another great episode of Sell Those Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and as I said, we are replacing the starter on the 2007 Chevy Impala, Chevy Malibu today. Now the Impala is going to be not that quite different because it's pretty much the same engine, but you're going to find out this starter is pretty much the easiest one to replace in the world. Chevy might have messed up on a couple other things, aka the oil can on the Malibu and Impala, but you did something right on the starter, Chevrolet. Great job, like a rock, baby, like a rock. All right, so let's go ahead and jump in there. It's only 2 bolts, a wire harness, and the positive cable on the back of the starter. That's holding us back from getting this thing replaced and getting you guys back on the road. So let's go ahead and jump into this repair, get you guys back on the road, save some money.
All right, guys, we're going to jump right into this repair. But first of all, we need to take the negative terminal off of our battery just to be safe, since we're dealing with the electronic system here with the electronic starting system. Now, we go under the vehicle right where the license plate is, and you go under there, you look up, you're going to see the starter. Chevy was thinking about you when they thought about this starter replacement, guys. Right there, you got 2 15mm bolts. You get a 1/2-inch drive with the 12-inch extension or 6-inch extension in your ratchet, and you are good to go, guys. Now, don't worry about the wiring until you get those 2 bolts out, because you are going to really hurt your hand trying to reach up there and grab those. So don't even try to, get your hand all cut up or nothing. Let's go ahead and get the 2 15mm bolts first, and then we'll get the wiring after that. All right, guys, you see right there, the starter is now dropped down just from those 2 15mm bolts. We can now access that harness plug right there on the back. As you can see, I'm going to point at it. And also, your positive cables on the starter is held on by a 13mm bolt. 13mm nut, my apologies. So here we go, guys. The comparison of the old starter to the new starter. As you can see, the old starter is covered in oil, sludge, and everything. The new starter looks all pretty. By the way, if you have not found a new starter for your 2007 Chevy Malibu, I did throw the link to Amazon in the video description down below to help you guys out. So you can see right there on the ground strap what it's supposed to look like and what this one looks like. A lot of times on the used starters, what they'll do is the ground strap will start to unravel. Next thing you know, your solenoid no longer has a great ground and it's not going to work anymore because it can't complete its own circuit. So there you go. Easily threw the starter back in. This entire repair maybe took 20 minutes, guys, with the 2 15mm bolts and a 13mm nut on the back, the solenoid. Man, you are good to go. Switch your starter out, get your vehicle back on the road. Great job, guys. You saved yourselves a few $100s.
Now, wasn't that easy? I'm telling you, the easiest starter replacement in the world is the Chevy Impala and the Chevy Malibu. I mean, amazing. I love it, I love it, I love it. Thank you so much, Chevy, for doing one thing right on your Malibu. I love it. Guys, you just saved yourselves about $300 to $400 on this repair. Mostly it was the part, which if you have not got your new starter for your Chevy Malibu, you go ahead and find it in the video description down below. I went ahead and put all the parts and tools used in today's video down there, so you don't have to look for them. I did double check that it is for the vehicle that we're talking about. So, thank you so much, guys. Hey, that is going to save you a lot of money, that part. I did say, thanks a lot, guys. But it is going to save you a lot of money on the part, guys. The labor, not, and the labor, when I looked at it, it was like $100, $150. Some repair shops out there, though, hey, they're probably going to charge you $300 to $400 because, remember, they charge whatever they want depending on their workload. If someone says, okay, I'll do that, it's because, hey, they just talked you into a very high price. Now, I've seen a lot of subscribers and viewers go on the channel and say, hey, I paid $5,000 for this repair, and I did the repair on the channel for free. So guys, if you need a repair, please check the channel before you go to the repair shop. If I have the video on the channel and it can save you thousands and thousands of dollars, okay, let me help you. Please, put that money towards you and your family. Hey, it's always great to support small businesses and everything, but hey, how many small businesses am I supporting here? $5,000 for a job, but I'm gonna do a YouTube video on it for free and show you how to do it? Are you kidding me? Do you know one of my most popular videos is a job that a repair shop will charge you $3,000, and that thing has over 90,000 views. $3,000, and you're saving 90,000 people. $3,000. And that's insane. How many small businesses are we supporting with these auto repairs? I don't know about you guys, but I don't keep an extra $5,000 if my car breaks. Okay? So hey, if I can help you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay? You haven't subscribed yet? No problem. Let me show you how to do it. Lower right hand corner, smash the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. That way you get notified of all my future DIY auto repair videos I release in the future. And I'm telling you, they're gonna keep coming. I have over 400 online right now, and I'm not stopping. This whole dry erase board, this is all ideas I have. These are all episodes I want to do. This whole list right here is all episodes I want to do for you guys. Save you money. So hey, I'll run on coffee. If you haven't noticed, I'm pretty high on the caffeine. And we're going quick, guys, because I got a transmission job coming in tomorrow. Tomorrow, 2003 Honda Civic. We're doing a clutch replacement. So definitely stay tuned for that video, guys. I'm totally psyched about it. That video gets towed here today. So definitely stay tuned for that. Thank you so much, guys, for checking out another great episode. And until next time, hey, keep on wrenching, guys. Take care.